students. Now I am going to discuss hydrostatic law. Hydrostatic law or hydrostatic equation. Okay. Hydrostatic equation. In fluid statics, in the last class, we defined what is fluid statics, and there we derived the Pascal's law also. Okay, now we are going to derive hydrostatic law. What is that law? We are going to derive. See that first of all, statement. Okay, statement is the increase pressure, or we can call it as the rate of increased pressure in the vertically downward direction, in the fluid static, in the fluid statics will be equal to its weight density. That is the statement. What is the statement? The rate of increased pressure, that is, let us call it as dP, in the vertically downward direction, that is dz. So the rate of increase in pressure in vertically downward direction in the fluid static will be equal to the weight density of the fluid. Okay, that is the statement. Now we have to prove this one. Now how we are going to prove? Okay. Now consider an elemental area like this. Okay, so phase A, B, C, D, acting pressure here P, and here it will be P plus dP by dz. Remember, this is at z direction, z height. Okay, that is potential energy, and that is dz. Okay, so dP by dz into delta z, and force will be multiplied by A. So here also delta A. Okay, this is elemental area. Consider an elemental area of delta A. Okay, now see here, forces acting on face AB. Okay, that is in downward direction. So that will be equal to, we can write like this, P into delta A. Area is, pressure into area is force. Okay, force acting on face CD vertically upward, that will be P plus del P by del Z, okay, into this Z into delta A. Okay, and weight of fluid is also working. Okay, so weight of the fluid working downward direction, so that will be equal to weight density. Okay, that is weight density, that is Newton per meter cube. So it is delta A into delta Z. Now in equilibrium condition, see now, P into delta A downward upward this one minus opposite, that is P plus del P by del Z into delta Z into delta A. Okay. See, this is in the same direction. Okay. So plus weight of the fluid is going down due to gravity effect. So P into delta A will have the same sign of weight density. Okay. So that is gamma into delta A into delta Z. Okay. Now see, P into delta A and this P into delta A will get cancelled. So it will have this one delta A into delta Z will be equal to, this minus will go there. So this is dP by dZ into delta Z into delta A also. So delta Z and delta A will get cancelled. Lastly, we are getting rate of change of dP by dZ, which is nothing but weight density. So that was the statement. That was the statement of the hydrostatic law, and this is called hydrostatic equation. Hydrostatic equation, and this is also proves, this proves hydrostatic law. Okay, hydrostatic law also. So let us summarize what we have studied in this session. Hydrostatic law states that the rate of increased pressure in vertically downward direction in the fluid static will be equal to its weight density. So that is dP by dZ is equal to gamma. Proof: consider an elemental area of delta A. Now forces acting on the face A will be P into delta A downward, and force acting on face CD vertically upward. So P into delta P into delta Z into del Z into delta Z into delta A. Not only these two forces are acting on this body, elemental area, weight of the fluid is also there. So weight of the fluid is nothing but weight density into volume. So this is weight density. Weight density is Newton per meter cube. Okay, and if you multiply by volume, so it will have the force unit. So weight density is weight density into delta A into delta Z. Okay, now in equilibrium condition, what we are going to apply? See, this is downward direction, P into delta A plus weight of the fluid, gamma into delta A into delta Z. Opposite direction is P plus del P by del Z into delta Z into delta A. So P delta A will get cancelled. So this gamma into delta A delta Z, gamma into delta A delta Z will be equal to, this minus term goes opposite side, then it becomes plus. So dP by dZ into delta Z. So delta A and delta Z will get cancelled. So this is nothing but dP by dZ is equal to gamma. This proves our hydrostatic law or hydrostatic equation. Okay, this is all about your hydrostatic law. In next class, I will discuss something more about this equation. Thank you.